Welcome back. Today we're exploring how your food choices can help your body fight cancer. Let's discover which foods can boost your body's defenses and how simple changes to your plate can make a real difference. First up, let's talk about broccoli, the vibrant green cruciferous veggie that's often called a nutritional powerhouse. Broccoli is loaded with sulforaphane, a remarkable compound that's been shown in studies to help neutralize harmful toxins in the body and even slow the growth of cancer cells. Sulforaphane is one of the reasons broccoli is so highly recommended by nutritionists and doctors alike. To get the most benefit from broccoli, it's best to lightly steam it or enjoy it raw. Overcooking can destroy much of the sulforaphane, so gentle preparation is key to preserving its powerful health benefits. Try adding broccoli or other cruciferous vegetables like kale and Brussels sprouts to your meals several times a week. These veggies work together to support your body's natural detoxification processes and boost your overall health. Here's a simple tip. Sprinkling a little mustard seed powder on cooked broccoli can actually reactivate and boost its cancer-fighting power, making your meal even more beneficial. Make this green guardian a regular on your plate, and you'll be taking a simple yet powerful step toward a healthier, more vibrant you, one delicious bite at a time. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Their polyphenols like anthocyanins and ellagic acid help neutralize free radicals and may slow cancer cell growth. Toss a handful into your breakfast or snack for a delicious, easy way to support your body's defenses. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to lower risk of certain cancers, especially prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes boosts lycopene absorption. Think tomato sauce with a splash of olive oil for maximum benefit. Enjoy tomatoes in salads, sauces, or soups to tap into their protective power. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with unique sulfur compounds like allicin that give it its signature aroma and taste. Research suggests these compounds may help protect your DNA from damage and even slow the growth of certain cancer cells, making garlic a true defender of your health. To get the most benefit, crush or chop garlic and let it rest for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the allicin to fully develop and maximize its health-boosting potential. Add fresh garlic to stir-fries, soups, or homemade dressings to enhance both the flavor and the nutritional value of your meals. Regularly including garlic in your diet may also help support your immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off illness and stay strong. Make garlic a staple in your kitchen for a simple, delicious way to boost your health every day. Green tea is loaded with catechins, especially EGCG, which help protect cells and may slow cancer growth. Brew with hot, not boiling water and steep for 3 to 5 minutes to get the most benefits. Enjoy a few cups daily, hot or iced unsweetened for a refreshing protected drink. Green tea is an easy, enjoyable way to support your body's natural defenses. Turmeric's curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant studied for its cancer-fighting potential. Boost absorption by pairing turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats. Add it to curries, soups, or golden milk for both flavor and health. This ancient spice is a simple way to add powerful protection to your meals. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s, polyphenols and antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and inhibit cancer cell growth. Just a handful a day, on cereal, salads, or as a snack, can make a difference. Their healthy fats and nutrients support overall wellness. Keep walnuts in your pantry for a tasty protective boost. Remember, no single food is a magic bullet. Focus on a diverse, plant-rich diet for the best protection. The key is to make small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Eating a wide variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can help support your body's natural defenses and overall well-being. Start small. Add an extra veggie to your meals, even if it's just a handful of spinach or a few slices of bell pepper. Swap a sugary drink for green tea or try infusing your water with fresh fruit for a flavorful, healthy twist. Sprinkle turmeric or other antioxidant-rich spices on your meal to boost flavor and nutrition. Always consult your doctor for personalized advice, especially before making major dietary changes or if you're managing a health condition. If you have health concerns, your healthcare provider can help you create a plan that's right for you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share in the comments which cancer-fighting foods you'll try next or your favorite healthy recipe ideas.